And we have just finalized the installation of the solar panels. Guys are bringing all of the cables in so they can connect to the BNG. And they're also bringing down the cables from the mast where we have like the spreader lights that we have also ordered for Joy. And also you see the cables, that's for the integration for the BNG and the engine. So we're almost done. It has been like probably a week that we're here in Les Sables with Rob and Marine doing all of the work for the additional items that we have bought for Joy. And today we're going to install the solar panels. We projected a support for the solar panels that is a little bit different than they usually do. The normal supports that they have here, they run all the way down and they kind of obstruct your view whenever you're inside of the boat. We decided to do one that is a little bit different. We're crossing our fingers that it's actually going to work because it's going to prevent the dinghy to go all the way up. So it's going to come maybe like 15 degrees, a little bit lower than usual, and it's gonna be welded right here. So I'm gonna show it to you exactly the final product whenever it's done. So it's gonna come here and all the way up there instead of going down. It's gonna be done in 3 steps. The first one, they're gonna put the support. Second one, they come with the solar panels. It's gonna be 4 panels of 360 watts each. And then third, they're gonna connect the MPPT and all of the software. It's gonna be interesting because we're gonna be able to monitor everything via app. Now we have the guys from Lagoon here, and our experience this time around has been so much different than last time. They've been super punctual, and all of the issues that we have found on the boat, they're like they're coming and they're fixing, and we're checking them out. So this time we had a leakage over there in the shower, so they're trying to figure it out what it is. It's like fresh water, so it's not a big deal, and we'll have to find it where it's coming from. And right in front where you take delivery of your boat is SAS, Sailing Atlantic Services. Those are the guys that receive the boat from Lagoon, and they put the mast and they really prepare the boat for you to get it here in Les Sables. They're located right here, as you can see, right in front where the boat is located, which is right there. The boats arrive in this truck and they're put here in the back of SAS. And this is the process. The boat arrives like that, all wrapped up. And then after they receive the boat, they take the wrap off and they start installing all of the equipment here in the back before they put it in the water. And here is where they start the assembling process of the Lagoon 46. Right beside the boat, you'll find the masts. They put it here so they can install all of the equipment on the mast before it goes up. At the top of the mast, some lagoons had some issues in shaking the lines, and they put a fix right here in the middle to prevent that to happen. So this extension here will make sure that the lines do not get shaped. See over there, you have like the new holdings over there. In terms of some of the aftermarket options that we were doing on our Lagoon 46, besides the solar panels that we're installing, which are 4 solar panels of 360 with an arch that we made specifically for this Lagoon 46, is a little bit different than the usual arc that goes down into the deck and get drilled over there in the back spoons. You see it, this design is a little bit more pleasant to the eye. And it holds very well as well. We're doing some engine integration with the BNG, so we can have the stats of the engine on our BNG chart plotter. I think this is a good optional to have, and it's getting installed right now. Also, we are having the cameras installed because after the test sail, realized that I cannot see the back of the boat. So having the camera installed and being able to visualize over there on the BG, it's gonna be terrific. And the last option that we decided to install here in Les Sables with Robin Marine is the lights on the spreaders. It's the blue light. It just gives a very nice look for the boat in the evening. So they have already put it in the spreaders when the mast was down before installing, and now they're just connecting the wires.
Nós estamos separando todas as coisas que a gente comprou entre coisas que vêm em papelão, em plástico, lata com lata, vidro com vidro, garrafa com garrafa, para organizar. Como é que fala? Engasopor?
Engasopou.
Ui!
Almost time to leave, but before we go, just got a message from the company that is registering our boat. We got the temporary registration, but we did not get the definite one. So what we need to do now to get the definite registration is a new requirement for BVI. We gotta carve the tonnage of the boat on the main hull, in the case of catamaran, on a fixed part. So we're gonna do it right there, so so the final registration can be done. So we're gonna do that right now. So here are the last steps, disconnecting everything from the dock, the electricity. So we have two cables connected, one for the air conditioner and the other one for the electricity in the boat. So disconnecting everything, and then we'll start to maneuver Joy to get out here on the channel towards La Coruna in Spain.
We used to dance, but now I don't know where you are. I miss you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late, now it's too late. I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you. My heart keeps on bleeding, I have scars, the ones not healing. They're all there because of you. It's my fault, I messed it up and I should have treated you much better. So much better.
Eu tô fumando aqui na maluca.
I miss you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late, I know it's too late.